Alright, the Volkswagen got towed back in today, unfortunately. The check engine light was flashing at some point and causing misfires. So what I did was I scanned the car, got some codes, and there was multiple random misfire, hide cylinder, something strange like that. But primarily it was cylinder one misfire. Now what I did was do the basic stuff, swap coils because it's free, change 1 to 2, see if the problem follows the cylinder. It didn't, and at least last thing I would expect is a spark plug going back, because I put new ones in there yesterday. But I have a thing with auto light, I just don't like them, so I think you know where it's going. Swap the plugs out from 1 to 2, issue follow the cylinder. Now here's the plug that I pulled out. Let's see here. See if we can get a good view on it. So it was wet, fouled out. This joker wasn't, this thing is hot. The spark plug wasn't firing, unlike the other one, which is fouled out. And if you look at I showed the other spark plugs yesterday. Let's see if I still got them. Here they are. So here were the other ones. They were mismatched plugs in there. Now what was in there was the XP 606. Now what I might do is go back to these plugs, what was in there. Reasons being, the new ones, the 3923s, is a Kohler plug, and I put those in my turbo vehicle. I don't know what the 606 heat range is. However, the thing is, it's not fouling out like this plug is. These are brand new, literally was only in there for 24 hours, and the car had to come back. So what I'm going to do is I might look into putting these 606s in here, because they do look like they were burning a lot better. Let's see if I can get a close up. So these look like they were burning a whole lot better in comparison to I don't even know. I know this was way off brand, this AC Delco. I mean, this was the worst one. Thing is, and I just don't want these plugs. I mean, this is heading the same direction it was last time, with fouling out and looking pretty bad. So I don't know what this heat range, this Autolite 606 is, but I'll definitely consider probably putting this in there, especially if I don't have to worry about it fouling out like the other ones. Here are the other 3923s I've got. So just look at how bad they are. I mean, they were like oil starting the bridge. This is the worst one. This was cylinder one right here. You can definitely see it trying to bridge, and these are 3923s. Yeah, I don't like I said, I need to find out what heat range. This is the one. I need to find out what heat ranges that 606 was, because I'll likely put that in there to prevent this rich mixture, this burning issue that it has, so the car won't be coming back here anymore. I don't think it's a brand. I mean, it's Autolite, correct me if I'm wrong. I mean, but isn't that what come in Volkswagens? You know, so let me find out what heat range the 606 is in comparison to 3923. Well, I'll get back. Got the new plugs here. I'm going with the 606s, and where's the part number? There, right there. The XP 606. Now, technically, from what I understand, with the Autolites, the last number indicates the heat range. So the lower the number, the cooler the plug. So this technically is twice as hot. So normal heat range is 3. This will be 6. So again, I mean, I'm doing this because what was already in there, obviously there was no problems with the other heat range being in there. Then I'm going to put these back in there because I don't want this to happen no more, because I have to take my reputation on the line, and also for a couple of other reasons. So the car has the ability to alter the timing, and if it receives any detonation or as a result of high temperatures. Now the heat range of the plug isn't really going to change so much the combustion temperatures. I mean, you have so many other variables that can alter the combustion temperature, such as the mixture of the fuel system. Now, being that there's a lot of fuel fouling the plugs, the low compression could be a contributing factor because of the age of the motor, and then from what she told me she had down to the vehicle. So it would warrant putting a hotter heat plug as a result of those variables. And again, I mean, there's some other things, reasons why I want to put them in there. The second most important is, like I said, I don't want them coming back, and I can't imagine this being an issue putting a hotter plug in there. Again, it's not going to really significantly alter the temperature. It's just going to alter the fire as far as how rapid the spark dissipates, from what I understand. Thirdly, the car's been driven just normal. There's nothing special about her driving habits. She's driving to and from work, and nothing should happen. I mean, just normal driving. She doesn't drive this vehicle hard or anything, so I think we're fine. Let me get these plugs in here and get it starting up. 90 seconds later, the plugs are back in there. Car's running smooth. There's no more flashing check engine light. Oh boy. And again, it would immediately come on. Focus. So I'm gonna back out and go back into the engine control module. Trouble codes, no codes detected. All right, so I'm going to take this on a test drive as always. Make sure everything's thorough, and give this car back. I'm going to take it on a little bit longer drive today. I feel very good about this car not coming back, but hey, if it do, you're not going to know because you're not subscribed. Hit the subscribe link, stay informed, had the reinsurance on my work, and on to the next one.